Hello all, welcome to the Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore. India and China have set ties in the right direction. These are the words said by our External Affairs Minister, Mr. Jaishankar. Recently we have seen that there is a lot of disengagement along the line of actual control. And after 2020, the Galwan clash of 2020, the tensions are now released in 2024 when India and China are working together in the right direction and they are disengaging their troops in this particular region. If we talk about line of control, then it's a boundary between India and Pakistan near Jammu and Kashmir region. The line of actual control is the region dividing the India and China, and it is lying near the Ladakh region. Again, if we talk about the McMahon line, this is near the Arunachal Pradesh region, and again it is dividing, there is a boundary between India and China. These three regions, the line of control, the line of actual control and the McMahon line is always in news because always tensions are going on with the neighborhood countries. This disengagement which happened between India and China too is having two prominent locations. They are your Demchok Plains, which is in the eastern Ladakh, and again Depsang Plains, which is near your Karakoram region. These two strategic locations are important because of their military logistical areas and also for security of this region. If we talk about Demchok and Depsang, these areas again is very important for your UPSC preparation because in prelims you will be getting some questions related to the area, some related to the geographical presence of that, significance of that area. Now we will discuss why this Demchok Plains and Depsang Plain is important for India's strategic location. So this Demchok Plain which is located near Ladakh region, eastern side of Ladakh region. There you have a region called Chushul sector. Chushul sector is again very vital for military logistic purposes. And if we talk about Depsang Plains, then it is near the Karakoram range, right? And then you will have India's Daulat Beg Odi, which is world's highest airstrip. So world's highest airstrip you will be getting near this Depsang Plains, which is near the Karakoram region. Because of these vitalities, India is trying to protect such regions from China's invasion. And if these kind of talks will go further in the right direction, then India can benefit a lot because again economic development will be happening in Ladakh region and also we can counter the China's balance in the southeastern region. Now what did our External Affairs Minister Jaishankar said about this disengagement? He said that if we want to develop fresh ties and new bonds with China, then it will happen only with the restoration of peace and tranquility in this region. Then only we can move forward with stronger ties with China. And along with that, if we want development in the Ladakh region, in the line of actual control region or near the Arunachal Pradesh region, we have to do it diplomatically. Jaishankar said that we have done fully and we have worked fully on the disengagement. Now the de-escalation of this region is required. By time to time we see that China surprises us in the Galwan region and try to send their troops for standoff. So de-escalation again in this region is vital for India's progress. If such kind of relations move forward in the right direction, then India will really benefit from all these kind of moves. But the disadvantage here is we need to focus not only the Galwan region but also the Aksai Chin region. Along with the two places which we have discussed, the Aksai Chin region need continuous vigilance and also monitoring so that we can have confidence building measures. I hope this topic is clear. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us.